Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can reset Spotify password. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open any browser and search for spotify.com. And you need to open the first website. Okay, and here you need to click on three bars and click on login. So how you can reset, you simply need to click on forget your password. So once you click on that, you need to enter your email address or username here. So let me enter my email address and click on send. And now let me show you that I receive an email from Spotify. Let me refresh it again because it took few seconds to receive an email. Okay, so click on that, and here you need to click on reset password. So now you have here, you can see that now you can reset your Spotify password easily. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.